have some special guests with me. Gandalf, Purdy, and Schnizzleface. Today, on today's episode of Testing 1 2, we are going to be trying none other than frog balls. Yes, frog balls. Thank you, Miss Sassy. You saw it, frog balls. Also, we were going to be, speaking of balls, we are in a very tight location. We will be trying some glow balls. We're going to be chasing the frog balls with the glow balls. And then for a slight appetizer, we're going to try the Halloween flavored candy corn cupcakes. Listen, everybody. Did you hear it? Take it in, dog mouth.
Some good balls.
Your turn, Bookworm.
Smells really good.
And for last but certainly not least, Lysol. That's right. As you can tell, I did not taste it because I am the master of ceremonies. Thank goodness I am next to Protein Shake here. Harry Beast, are you ready? Garbage Can, are you ready? Let's enjoy. Give me a bucket. Oh, shall not die!
No, that's definitely gonna pass.
Okay, dog food, vacuum, and pepper shaker. Let's enjoy some glow balls.
Oh, yes.
Wait.
Give me some glow balls, baby.
Right. Let it get past. Let it get past the frogginess of the ballsies.
I'm telling you, both flavors are amazing right now.
Oh, the coconut are so amazing. Don't you think so, Shoelace? Candy, corn, cupcakes. Are we ready, gentlemen? Enjoy. Oh. Light bulb right there. Oh, isn't it just amazing, my friend? This is better than, wow.
Terrible. Somehow
The absolute cream inside is just delicious.
I think the balls tasted a lot better, though.
You like the balls?
The balls were good.
Well, the cream in the center was pretty amazing.
That's true.
2 thumbs. Well, I kind of have a third one, but we can't go there. So, frog-y balls. On your mark, get set, go. So I would like to thank Toenail, Sassafras, and Woodpile for being my special guest today. I have a lot of other cool videos. Go and check them out. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And guess what? Until next time. Pow!
Hairball.
For the...
Okay. All right. Okay.
Quiet! knock it off.
I'm in tears.
Okay. All you have to do is pay attention to what Sesame Street is saying right now.
This beer here tastes amazing.
Wow. Oh. Now, us men. No. Now.
Hold on. Let me get rid of the frog balls.
Okay. So now. Gotta leave
Whoa!
the jar out here.
Those are strong.
Okay. Shh. So now. Good balls. Okay. Hold on. Did you hear it? Wait. Oh, you have to take it. Stop. Little.
Do a little dance.
Sweaty balls. Sweaty. It says Brussels sprouts.
What's that?
So.
Oh, sorry.
Somebody punch her in the mouth. Okay, quiet. Gandalf.
Time out. Thanks.
2, 1, 2.
Okay.
You're going. Okay,
The count
quiet.
of 3. Everybody quiet on the set.
Please have.
Wait.
Oh my gosh, Macy.
Oh.
Here we go.